Now let's take a look at presets. There are 3 preset behaviors in Baxter. The first is express. Express makes Baxter move very fast and a little less precise. Explicit, which makes Baxter move more precise but a little less fast. And balanced, which is a compromise between the two. The entire task that I'm going to show you right now is set to express, to go as fast as possible. Let's see what happens. Baxter picks up a box with its vacuum gripper and sets it in front of the robot. And it's going to fill the box with 4 bottles. And you notice there that the bottle bumped on the edge of the box. Let's watch that again. Right there. So let's see if by setting that particular motion from the pick to the place to balanced, if we can get rid of that overshoot on the shoulder joint and make it go right into the box without hitting. So what's important with presets is the destination action. So for example, if you're going from a hold to a pick and you set that pick to explicit, then the path from the hold to the pick would also move in explicit motion. So let's take a look. If we go into Modify and go to the place, which is where we're having the problem, and over to Action Training and Settings, you notice that this is our screen to set the motion presets. And right now it's inherited, and it tells you here that the inherited setting is expressed. So let's move that from inherited to balanced and see if it changes the behavior. Perfect. Right in the box. Let's take a look and see what would happen if we set the entire task to explicit and how that would affect the behavior. So if we go into Modify and hit the Baxter button and go into the order screen, and at the task level we can choose the motion presets. These are the inherited presets. So you notice that everything is set to express. If we switch that over to explicit, and now let's revisit that one point that we changed, which was the place location for this arm, and take a look at the setting for that. You notice it doesn't inherit my new setting, which is explicit. It was overwritten with balanced. So we're going to go ahead and set that to inherited, and then it will pick up the explicit setting. And don't forget to choose Done. And let's run it again and see what happens. You'll notice that the motion is more deliberate and precise and a bit slower. So this setting, explicit, is great when you're doing an intricate task like machine tending, but it's not really necessary for a gross motor task like this packing application. So that's a good look at presets.